In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Facebook page ownership so another person can manage the page as the main administration. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that currently manages the page. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu, then tap Pages and select the page you want to manage. Once your page opens, tap Settings or Page Settings. In the Settings area, look for Page Access or Page Roles and tap on it. Here you will see the list of people who currently have access to the page. To transfer ownership, tap Add New or Add Person to Page and search for the person you want to give access to. Select their profile and choose Admin Access so they can fully manage the page. Facebook may ask you to enter your password to confirm the change. After the person accepts the invitation and becomes an admin, they will have full control of the page. If you want them to be the only owner, you can later remove your own access from the page settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.